Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming that your AI platform supports changing persona attributes, gender included, so you can proceed. Once you have API keys and account permissions, back up current profiles and any custom voice or model settings. Make sure to note rate limits, active sessions, and token expiry so changes don't break integrations. Next, open the developer console or settings page where persona parameters live. Prepare a test instance to apply edits before touching production. You now edit the persona parameters directly: pronouns, name, voice profile, and conversational style. If using the UI, update fields and preview voice samples. If using API, send a patch or put with the new attributes and confirm the return schema. Once updated, run a suite of test prompts in sandbox mode to observe tone and behavior. Make iterative tweaks. Adjust pitch, response formality, or pronoun handling. Keep logs of changes so you can roll back if the persona drifts. You finish by deploying the updated persona during a low-traffic window and closely monitoring logs and user interactions for unexpected shifts. Once stable, update help pages and notify users about the change and any consent requirements. Make sure integrations and saved sessions reference the new persona ID. If something goes wrong, revert immediately to your backup, recheck API tokens and permissions, and inspect intent and persona rules for conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip: if behavior is inconsistent, clear cached sessions and rerun tests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.